Hi there guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back to a new video. So I've just had this random thought literally right this moment. So I've started recording. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do a daily episode. I've just transferred £500 over from my live main trading account into a new kind of account. And what I'm basically going to do is do a daily vlog, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays. So a trading vlog Monday to Wednesday. I'm going to trade this £500 account. I'm currently testing not a new strategy, but a different variation of the strategy I trade. So I thought, what better way to do this than document it day by day, show the back testing I'm doing, what I'm looking for, how basically I'm putting this strategy together, and then following that, we should hopefully see this £500 account grow. Now, what I'm going to do is risk probably 5% a trade because there's a higher frequency of trades trading this way. So what I'm going to do is risk £25 a trade on a £500 account and keep the risk the same, keep trading it and go from there. So it is Monday the 15th today, the account balance is 500. I'm going to obviously go onto the screen as well and show you. But yeah, this is what I'm basically going to do. So Monday to Wednesday on this YouTube channel are going to be daily vlogs. So 3 videos, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday is going to be one of the educational videos. And maybe even I might do something on Friday, like a trade breakdown or something. So that basically every single day of the week, I'm doing some content. So if you are looking for a YouTube channel that doesn't just lie about everything they're doing, shows you the transparent way to do it. Like, I'm literally sat here in the front living room, I've got my pajamas on with a hoodie. I'm not here to promote a glamorous lifestyle. I'm here to show you the realistics of what most traders are going to experience, what they're going to go through. Yes, I make money trading, but am I in Dubai renting Ferraris? No, I'm not, because it's just not what I'm about. So hopefully this opens your eyes to a different side of the forex world. I know all of its marketing, Ferraris, holidays, Rolexes, etc. That does come with it, but it's not all of it. This is kind of what it boils down to: being in your living room, being in your office at home, being in your bedroom, everything, doing what you can. So I'm basically going to document the process of putting a strategy together, what I'm testing, what I'm looking for, and then hopefully, guys, it's the start of a good series. So yes, this is going to be episode 1. There's going to be 3 episodes a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I'm hopeful, guys, that you will enjoy watching this. Any questions, no matter what the day, drop them in the comments. Free Telegram is also in the bio, so I'll probably document some more in that. But yes, guys, I'll stop rambling on now, and let's go on to the charts. So guys, let's now have a look at the charts. So this is what I'm looking at for today. These are all the areas I've had. So this area did miss, and then I have a higher area up here. Obviously, the strategy I am using and also testing is something that I have actively traded with the community, etc. for quite some time. So a few people will know how I've identified these areas. But what I'm basically going to do is, there's 2 ways to trade this strategy. The first way is to trade it zoomed out, and like this, where you have your zones higher and lower. And the second way to trade the strategy is by being zoomed in like so, and trading the more immediate areas. Okay, so for example, something like this is a trade I haven't taken, but is a valid trade for the strategy. Okay, and so on and so forth. Is basically just like this. Now, a position that I had for today using this strategy here was this here. So if I just have a look overall at the market and go into the 15-minute, you can see price has just missed my entry and has just reached my break-even area, which would be 20 pips. So for that reason, I am now cancelling this pending order. Okay, there was 5% risk on the trade, like I've previously mentioned in the video before. So this would have been an area that I will now class as a miss. What do I do when I have a miss? I make the zone purple, and so on and so forth. So that would have been the area for today. We do have retail sales in about 40 minutes, so for that reason I am not really too interested in taking any other positions today. So the only trade that I would have had today was this GN here, which has missed my pending. So my plan is I'm going to document this way of trading, which is the 3 confluence zoomed out, and also the 3 confluence zoomed in, which is like so. So it's both the same way of trading, but one focuses on being zoomed into the market and one focuses on being zoomed out. So what I'm going to do is trade and backtest the data for them both, compare which is better, and then following that I will be able to decide what to trade, okay? So I think that looks like this is today's kind of trade brief. If anything else happens by the end of the day, then I will obviously update. If not, then obviously we will just go again tomorrow. As mentioned, these videos are going to be uploaded daily, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. I may even potentially do a Sunday episode on market prep, okay? So I'm unsure what I'm going to do in that sense, but we will see. So if there's any other developments for the day, I am going to update you, but with there being upcoming US news, I like to usually stay out of the market, okay? So thank you guys for watching this short video, and we'll catch up again tomorrow. So guys, one more video for today as part of this. Just want to break down how I'm leaving the day. As you can see, pound US dollar from the zoomed in area did actually work. I'd be break even on that now due to the fact that news is coming out in 1 minute. I'm probably going to see how this plays out whilst we're on this video. The other trade, as we've outlined, was this GN sell, which is obviously missed pending. Absolutely fine. So what I've done, I've formulated this spreadsheet here where I have things that I'm going to track and also backtest. So alongside getting live data, tomorrow you're going to see me backtest and gather previous data based off the strategy. So we've got the zoomed out method here, which is like so, and then we've got the zoomed in method, which will be on this tab, which obviously is like this. So let's have a look. We've got 20 seconds to news. I'd be break even on this position due to the fact that news is coming out, okay? So you are physically not able to lose any money on this position, okay? So we'll see what happens with the news. There might even be a small reaction with it being retail sales, or there might be a large reaction. As you can see there, look guys, prices gap down within the market and would have hit your TP area. So that is something to journal. If we're looking now, as you can see, that is something to now journal on my tracker, that this trade would have won due to news and we would have been break even before that. So to be honest with you guys, first day doing this vlog, we've had 1 miss pending and 1 trade which would have won, but obviously we didn't take it because we weren't looking at that. So I'm going to now add this to the spreadsheet, and that is it now for the day. With US news coming out, I'm not really interested in anything now. So what we will do, we will catch up again tomorrow guys at 7 PM. Make sure you're there.